Hey guys, what's going on? So today we are going to Lake Elsinore for the 2026 Honda meet, and then I'm gonna go to Perris for the train museum. They've got a new F40PH there. So let's get started. First of all, gotta put it in neutral and roll it back. I gotta check the oil real quick. She's got a big oil leak. Oh boy. There we go. Push her back by hand. All right, oil level's looking good. The car isn't burning oil or anything, but it looks like the VTEC's always blown out. So we're good to go for this road trip. Well, let's hit the road. They're rolling in. Look at that. We're really in the spectating line, but I cannot wait to see what's inside this meat. All right, I'm almost in. Sweet. I'm here. Guess the line starts way over there. All right, I got in. Let's see if I can find Justin's car. Ooh, look at the snail on that. Oh, it's a J series. Wow. Look like a single cam. A lot of S2Ks here. Ooh, supercharged. Super nice Phoenix yellow. Woo. I think I've found what I'm looking for. Yep, Justin's 2003 6-speed.
In the chat, you'll see like,
oh, look at his gauge cluster. Just maxed it out. He went 1,015,000 miles before doing the new engine. And she is gorgeous. Freshly repainted, ceramic coated. Let me get a better look at this. TX Accord, follow it. Ooh, look at that satin silver paint. Super cool. This replaces alternator after 500,000 miles. The original one went 600,000. So that's pretty insane. Took out her silencers. Bet she's real loud. Got power stop brakes, which I need to get next set. Now this thing is sweet. It's got a 6-disc changer with an auxiliary input, and she is nice. Well, the Honda meet was super cool. Let's go to the train museum.
You have arrived.
All right, we are at the train museum. Sweet. Let me just find a parking spot. This will do. All right, let's crack these windows. Well, it's very quiet this Sunday, but I came here to see the F40PH that you just got. These streetcars here ran when LA's MTA owned the Pacific Electric lines before ending them. Not sure if you guys can faintly see that blue and white, but that there is the Coaster F40PH-2C. They ran from 1995 all the way to 2021, and I think it's very fitting that it gets to join the old MTA San Diego cars. So let's go find it. Woo-wee. That was a bit of walk, but look at this. Golly. 2105. You know, I used to ride this thing back when I was 9 years old, and seeing a museum like this is really something. Shout out to Mike Armstrong and his efforts to save this thing. This is really cool. The only other one that exists is in Campo, and that is so far away from me. But this is nothing. Golly, look at her. And she's a little out of place, not running by the San Diego coast. But look at that. My goodness. Get right up on her. Got no diesel anymore, huh? Wow. That is awesome. Here's the other side of her. Whew. Look at that. Whew. That was so cool seeing that F40. Let's get some lunch. Got her a nice 7th gen buddy next to her. Well, the car made it home. She wasn't quite at 183,000 like I thought, but that was a nice little road trip for a Sunday. Oh, super chill day too. Saw a lot of cool stuff despite the heat. Big shout out to Justin for bringing her down and letting everybody see her. And that'll about do it. Later, guys.